Hi, my name is Erwin. Welcome to the CartsPlus showroom here in Kelowna, BC. I'd like to introduce you to the EZGO ELiTE S2. This is a PTV and a golf car cross. It's a little bit lower than a regular PTV, and so it acts more like a golf car. It's for people that live on a golf course and they want to travel down the road in their golf car community, plus they want to go golfing. I'm going to show you some of the features. We have a full lighting package. We have lighted cup holders, we have signal lights, we have hazard lights, and we have a horn. We have a state of charge meter that allows to show you what the state of charge of the battery is as you're traveling. We have a basket to hold your balls, your tees, and any of your gloves, anything that you want to carry with you during your golf game. Features a clear folding windshield, LED headlights, Brushguard, and we have mag style 14-inch wheels, styled in the same blue as the cart. Features premium gray seating. This unit is powered by the Samsung Lithium battery. This battery has an 8-year warranty. You can store it for up to 6 months without charging it. Great for those snowbirds that are going away in the winter. Golf accessories featured here are a cooler, sand bottles, club and ball washer. You can add a club cover as an additional option. Comes with taillights and brake lights, so you have full protection when driving at nighttime. Come and see this promotional model. This is a 2024 and we're clearing it out. It has a special factory discount. Check out our pricing online. Thanks for joining us today.